Welcome to the best picks. The best pink gold balloon arch is probably one of the most stunning and versatile decorations you can add to any celebration, instantly transforming your space into a whimsical wonderland that guests will adore. Imagine the delight on your friends and family's faces as they step into a beautifully curated atmosphere, perfect for capturing unforgettable memories and adding a touch of elegance to birthdays, anniversaries, baby showers, or even a glamorous wedding reception. Number 5. PartyWoo Gold Balloon Arch Kit G101. Introducing our exquisite gold balloon arch kit, perfect for any celebration. This comprehensive set includes balloons in various sizes to create a dramatic and elegant display. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons are designed to stay inflated longer. Ensure your decorations remain vibrant and impressive throughout your entire event. From birthdays and weddings to baby showers and graduations, these balloons add a touch of glamour. They are ideal for creating memorable centerpieces and garlands for any occasion. Inflate them with air for a display that lasts up to 72 hours. Their standard necks allow for quick and easy setup, bringing instant joy to your party. Please avoid overfilling, extreme heat, or sharp objects to maintain their shape. Inflate to your desired size for the perfect decorative effect. Elevate your next party with these stunning gold balloons. They are the perfect choice for making any special occasion, from anniversaries to casino nights, truly unforgettable. What we like? This kit offers a wide range of balloon sizes, from 5 to 18 inches, perfect for creating a dynamic and full balloon arch. Its thick, durable latex ensures your decorations last throughout your event. If you're planning a versatile celebration like a birthday, wedding, or graduation and want a reliable, long-lasting decoration, this is a great choice. What people say. The balloons were thick and very stretchy and flexible, making them super easy to tie. These blow up evenly where some other brands have balloons are formed oddly and don't inflate to a uniform shape. PartyWoo balloons were very consistent in shape and texture. The balloons were thick and durable, with minimal popping during inflation and setup, which is always a concern with larger kits. Number 4. Amandir 164 PTKISS Rose Gold Pink Balloon Garland Arch Kit. Introducing our stunning balloon garland arch kit, perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any celebration. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to create a beautiful focal point for your event. Crafted from high-quality latex, these balloons are rigorously tested for durability. They can be filled with air or helium, offering versatility for your decorating needs. Our kit comes with convenient tools like a balloon tying tool and arch strip, making assembly quick and effortless. You can easily create a full and organic-looking balloon arch. This balloon garland is ideal for a wide range of events, including birthdays, baby showers, weddings, and graduations. It's perfect for creating a romantic and festive atmosphere. With our included accessories, you can design a breathtaking balloon arch that will enrich your party decorations. Make your next event truly memorable for you and your guests. Please be aware that uninflated or broken balloons can be a choking hazard for young children. Adult supervision is required, and broken balloons should be discarded immediately. What we like? This set features a beautiful rose gold and pink color palette, perfect for adding a romantic and festive touch to any party. The premium quality latex balloons are rigorously tested for durability. If you're looking for a cohesive and gorgeous pink-themed party, especially for Valentine's Day, birthdays, or baby showers, this kit with its included accessories will make your event unforgettable. What people say. The balloons are a beautiful pink gold color and look very elegant. The arch was easy to assemble and held up well throughout the party. Great quality balloons that didn't pop easily. Number 3. Pink Gold Balloon Garland Kit. Create a stunning party atmosphere with this beautiful balloon garland kit. It features a lovely mix of pink, gold, and ivory balloons for a sophisticated touch. Crafted from 100% non-toxic natural latex, these balloons are thickened and not easy to burst. You can inflate them with confidence, knowing they are safe for everyone. This all-inclusive kit provides everything you need to create a gorgeous balloon garland. It comes with balloons in various sizes, a decorating strip, and glue dots for easy assembly. Simply inflate the balloons to different sizes and attach them to the decorating strip. Use the included glue dots to fill in any gaps for a full, professional look. Perfect for a variety of celebrations, including baby showers, birthdays, and gender reveal parties. It's an ideal backdrop to make your event unforgettable. These balloons can be filled with either air or helium. For best results, inflate them to about 90% capacity and seal with the included tying tool for convenience. What we like. Prioritizing safety, these balloons are made from 100% non-toxic, thickening natural latex, making them less likely to burst. The kit includes everything you need for a DIY balloon garland, allowing for a customized and amazing look. If you're decorating for a girl's birthday, baby shower, or gender reveal and want a safe, customizable, and visually stunning backdrop, this is the perfect option. What people say. Great combo of colors and they inflate to a great size. Very easy to assembly and not one of them popped. I used them at 2 separate sleepovers 1 week apart and they barely deflated. In fact, I had to pop and disassembly as they were still pretty good after 3 weeks. Number 2. Soonlyn Pink Balloons Garland Kit. Introducing our beautiful pink balloon garland kit, perfect for any celebration. This comprehensive set includes a variety of sizes and finishes for a stunning effect. You'll find matte pale pinks, dusty rose, rose gold chrome, and confetti balloons. The kit includes 135 pieces in total, along with helpful accessories for assembly. Creating a gorgeous balloon arch is simple. Just inflate the balloons, attach them to the included strip, and shape your desired design. It's quick and easy to hang. Our balloons are made with a thicker, 4.4G material, ensuring they are strong and completely opaque. Unlike standard balloons, these won't be transparent. Add a touch of elegance to birthdays, baby showers, weddings, and more. This kit is ideal for a wide range of festive occasions. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you're not completely happy with your balloon kit, our customer service team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. What we like. This kit stands out with its unique double-stuffed balloons, providing a richer, opaque matte pale pink color that is more durable than standard balloons. The assembly process is straightforward, making it easy to create a stunning balloon arch. If you desire a sophisticated, non-transparent dusty rose gold theme for events like baby showers, bridal showers, or weddings, this kit offers a premium look with ease. What people say. The balloons blew up wonderfully and were not cheaply made. The various sizes came in handy and I really liked that it helped create more depth for the arch. All the balloons inflated very easily without any pops. Number 1. PTKISS Rose Gold Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing the PTKISS Rose Gold Balloon Arch Kit, your all-in-one solution for creating breathtaking balloon decorations. It includes everything you need for a perfect party setup. Crafted from natural latex, these balloons are 50% thicker than standard ones, ensuring they stay inflated for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy vibrant colors and a premium feel for your event. Our electric balloon pump inflates balloons in just 3 seconds, saving you time and effort. The included tying tool also makes assembly a breeze, protecting your fingers. Perfect for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, and any celebration, this kit provides a beautiful and relaxing atmosphere. Create unforgettable memories with ease. This comprehensive kit features a variety of rose gold, pink, gold, and confetti balloons, along with all the accessories you need. Get ready to impress your guests with a spectacular balloon arch. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes an electric balloon pump and a tying tool, significantly saving you time and effort. The balloons are made from thickened natural latex, ensuring they are not easy to break and can hold air for up to 2 weeks. If you're planning a large event like a wedding, bridal shower, or princess-themed birthday and want a hassle-free, high-quality decorating experience with all essentials included, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The colors are soft and elegant, perfect for any daughter's birthday party. The durability was better than expected, and the quality felt sturdy compared to cheaper sets. The rose gold color was elegant and vibrant, and the confetti inside added a fun touch. Everything came exactly as described, great quality, easy to inflate, and held up well throughout the party. The colors are gorgeous, soft pinks and rose gold with just the right amount of shimmer. It made our party backdrop look elegant and classy. The balloons were good quality, didn't pop easily, and lasted through the whole event. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.